Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, yeah. Anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, yo, a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky.
So ladies and gentlemen, right about now, you don't know, so it's another day, so it's another vlog. And right about now, me there. Today is, well, you know, go watch this Sunday morning, so blessed Sunday morning. Me just want to say, always, me have to start with this blessings and respect for the like, the comment, and all of the support. Because as me always stay tuned, me always have a grateful fit, so me always have to say it. Show us in the background over here, so. Yeah! You know what I mean? Oh, wrong place, me zoom in, look what. Yo, so for today, remember when I tell, remember when you me I tell you say I go plant some pepper. I want to tell me say I know some pepper plant. I'm telling you some. Me I go insert the video right now to remind you. The pepper is bad, you know. You don't know how to plant pepper bill. You not go say me I do it wrong, but bill you don't know how to plant pepper. If you don't say me I do it wrong, I want to see it wrong. Cause me I do it right. And now, you just need some water, hold on. Hold on, my fingernail dirt down up in there now. How are this? Who not tell me about I know pepper. Look here. See, let's see some of me plant it, you know. See me pepper them a grow there. See me pepper them a grow there. I don't know tell me about me no know for plant pepper. Yo, a country me come from, me know about all of them something I put it. So ladies and gentlemen, me just done deal with some rice. You know what I mean? This is white rice, but in this me use pumpkin noodle and coconut milk. And just season it with scallion, thyme, and pimento. Bad. Over here, so now, you don't know, regular swimmers. Steam long in a coconut juice. You know what I mean? Well, coconut milk. I don't want to steam on the swimmers in a coconut juice. But coconut milk. Yo, give me key. Huh? Baraki. Huh? Baraki.
You alright, bike?
But no, rain a fall. If rain never fall, what I deal with it tonight.
Yo, me soon as say,
who know a madman?
Me soon as say, Booba forget a bike. Look, Booba no ride no bike. Booba don't like them things there. So
No, me like bike.
But
nothing right.
Yeah. So not for you.
Not for me.
Can we have in the comment section them and me see some other day and say, yo,
Booba figure right.
make Booba go get bike, make Booba ride.
Hold on. So, Only think me fool. Only think me not no sense. And that only think. The video when me post the last vlog, me see somebody a comment on it and say, Famous, you know you never need no lighter to light the stove. It's portable. Only think me dumb. If the stove could have light without lighter, you don't think me must see that. Can you swear think somebody, if the stove could have light without lighter, me must see that. When me gas there? Only think me dance. Only think me fool. That's not a problem, you don't listen. You don't listen. I want to see this light without no matches. You hear it turn on, right? Uno win the one here. Uno win the one here. Say hi to my vlog. Talk to them, I don't think they don't see them. Talk to my vlog. Blue is in the cut. Yo, right now, me there. Me want pretty table. Yo, I see you well. So when you rush me. You see him just asleep and I may come here. It look like him a breed. You see him cozy up underneath there. Yo, if you strike off of me right now, me a dash with my phone and run with everything in here. Everything in here me a run with. You man come out of this. Me not trust him. Yo, when you see this one here, him cannot be trusted. This one here cannot be trusted. Where they in there good. And out of nowhere, he just strike off a candy. Nearly bite off all a candy face. You don't want to see me go in there? If you don't want to see me go in there, take out the snake today and conquer my fear, you drop a like. Drop a like right now and me open this and go in there go take him out. Me conquer my fear. All you have to do is just drop a like. Man sound like a little piggy man. See move there now. You see how quick as me move him move. You see how quick as me move him move. Me my head did lie down here saying now me turn to blue say now. And come up back in gone, you know, watch him. See move again. I'm going in there. Me not care. Me still don't like it like while. So I'm going for him. Look like him I go strike. You look like he sends me. You look like him I go strike. See my move now? Hello. You know what, guys? I might do that tomorrow. I'm now for me stop playing with the animal them and feed myself. Me don't know me. Yo, the bump here shine. Me don't know me I consume today yet. As me said today on Sunday at 9 o'clock right now, and me want to upload the vlog. Yeah, whatever my vlog in the morning right now, me go upload it. So you can get something for watching on Sunday. You know what I mean? What we are going to do today and tomorrow, that's going to be exciting for your vlog. So make sure you forward back for watching next vlog, because that's going to be a really exciting vlog. This is just a little chill vlog. When I want to make for breakfast? Because I'm not sure when I cook for dinner later. It's a saltfish. So either saltfish fritters or something if you do with saltfish. Hold on. Aki there. Saltfish and aki. Me no feel if you need no flour. Too early for rice. A Sunday, so if I cook rice now, I not cook rice again later. Hardware bread. So I just make ackee and saltfish and hardware bread and slap with this early in the morning. So I'm about to boil off my saltfish real quick, you know. Because from where they, if it's saltfish when I get, come like them I add salt to the salt and then add salt to the saltfish. And then they add more salt to it, toy salt. So I'm about to scald off them, yeah. And then a food time. Alright. And you can see the bubblings are gone. You know what I mean? Seasoning, you know what I mean? Scallion, thyme, pepper, saltfish, onion. You know what I mean? Watch my pot bubble sizzle. Yo, it's a fast pot me a bun, you know. I don't know about you know, but it's a fast pot me a bun. You know when man a work on roadside and they hungry and you have to cook a fast pot. One of them they are making a morning, yeah. Yeah. Me ain't no joking and no laughing. Me ain't none of them they today. Me hungry and me don't cook. Alright, I'm put it right there, so I rest it right there, so. And then me sit down. Telling you say it's a fast breakfast me I make, you know. They never believe me, though. Breakfast time. Can't wait for digging Ayaki. Oh my goodness, this is going to taste so good. I have to send up my prayer, you know. I have to send up my prayer like while. Just like I expected it. Just like I expected it. Yo, them bread are so... Yeah. Hey, softest bread them in my case. I'm showing our sweeps. Get the Aki. Come on now, come on now. Work with me now, work with me. Work with me, work with me, work with me. Work with me, work with me. Put it on the bread, so. And then you can sew me. This is delicious. Yo, right now at 10 o'clock, me that try upload a vlog for 10 o'clock, but it not happen. Because I not start edit nothing yet. And a Sunday and at 10 o'clock, and I want to go on a morning vlog. But it not happen. Oh yeah, me just watch Traba's vlog little while. Me have something to tell you now. No, run come. Me have to whisper it, run come. When you reach closer, tell me. When you there? Give me 1 minute. You know if you talk with food in your mouth. You know listen me now? Me just watch Traba's vlog and him finally confirm it. Say him and Candy I go up on the date.
As I said before, the date with me and Candy I go on and we go vlog that.
Me have a plan. Me have a plan. Blessings and respect, me G. Me nah let you down. You know that. Blessings and respect again for forward out and support another vlogging night Sunday morning, yeah? Well, as me say at 10 o'clock now, I'm going to edit this. Me go rub and eat my food so I can run go edit this for drop. Me no know. Me no think me go done early. But me go try for now. You know me go try for now. So, blessings and respect again for forward out and support yet another vlog. And me just want to say, yo, we dey on a pace when we want we keep up. Like how me soon smash the like button and comment. Me tell you me really and truly appreciate that. You know what I mean? I swear to you, me really and truly appreciate that. So me just want to say, always remember, leave a like. It help me. Leave a comment. It help me. I saw me on the talk. If I even say big up me Jesus, me tell you this every vlog. But yeah, big up on yourself. Me already edit this and show it out. Mad move.
Hold on then, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it